Let's learn how you can speed up a video on iPhone. It doesn't matter which iOS you are using. Only thing you will have to download is this iMovie application that you will have to find on App Store. So you will just have to go to App Store and download iMovie application. Once you do this, open application and this will be your starting window. Just click on the start new project and click on movie and select the video you want to create. When you do that, click on create movie application and it will open this movie bar. You will have to click on done and then edit. Click on this track and it will open up these options. Now you will have to click on this speed icon that's near this sound icon. I will mute the video so you can hear me. And now, as you can see in bottom left corner, there will be two icons, turtle and this bunny. If you're moving it to bunny, it will speed up the video. If you're moving it to turtle, it will slow the video. So as you can see now, it's on double speed and you can see that the video is sped up. If you once you're done with this, just click on done and your video will be saved.